We're going to look here on how to use the cloud sourcing to quickly publish tenders. We're a standard user now who's going to create a new sourcing project. And instead of reinventing the wheel, the user is going to copy a previous project from the sourcing library. Here, he accesses the sourcing library and searches for projects for printer. And then he finds the project he's interested into. Now, he needs to go through some steps, notably here to select that it's going to be open for 10 days. Then he needs to create or to select the suppliers that are going to be invited. And those are the suppliers that were copied from the previous project. So he deletes some of them. And he's going to search in approved commodities or just generic commodities for suppliers that could potentially participate. Now, inside the computer printer category, he finds a whole list of suppliers available. And he selects the appropriate ones. The content has been carried over from the copy we've made, and so we're now almost ready to publish. If you wish, Ariba has put an Ariba review button there where a human being will review your project and provide you feedback within 24 hours. So you're ready now to publish, and after that your project will become live and you can monitor it. So now let's move to the supplier side to see what it looks like. The supplier logs in onto the business network, and here it's a very popular supplier. He has lots of tenders open, but he accesses the printer tender that you published. Let's make this bigger. So the supplier intends to participate, then select the lots he's interested into, and then provides the answers to your questions. Of course, those questions can take many multiple forms. Here we're just giving you some examples. The supplier selects even a file that he's going to transmit to you. And then the supplier will provide the pricing for the 2 articles that were here. Once again, this can have much more information describing the requirements. We update the total, and then the supplier submits his answer. And that's all there is to the supplier responding to the tender. And now back on your side, you see that Britec has provided a quote, and we have Apex Corporation that provided a quote now, and because the time is passing, we have now another one, Donco, that has provided a quote. You can see that for this slot, Donco is the best, and it's just submitted a new bid. So we can even squeeze the screen just to focus on prices. And if you look at the supplier tab, then you have the status about when they connected, if they participated, and this one has declined because they don't have capacity. So when your tender is finished, you will need to award. And here we have scenarios helping you. Lowest price. Well, for the lowest price, you need 2 suppliers, and it's going to cost you 6,000 euros. If you only want 1 supplier, then it's going to cost you 7,000 euros. And this is how you award your deals to your suppliers. And once it's awarded, you can even move this to a contract if you want, if you have the contract management module, and that will draft the contract. But let's focus on the sourcing piece. You get a dashboard where you see all your projects and some reporting around your activities. And you should have all the tools to be able to publish and manage tenders.